Everyone wants to be happy, but for a lot of people, that's easier said than done. Long-lasting happiness is earned through our habits, and happy people know that investing in the right habits pay off. So, if you're looking for a little help in the happiness department, put a couple of the following 7 tips to the test and see what happens. 1. Enjoy the little things. Life gets busy, and sometimes we get so caught up in our day-to-day routines that we fail to appreciate the little things. Whether it's a meaningful conversation, a good meal, or even a breath of fresh air, happy people know how important it is to stop and savor each and every moment. 2. Sweat it out. When we exercise, our bodies release chemicals called endorphins. These endorphins interact with the receptors in the brain and trigger a positive feeling in the body known as a runner's high. This natural high has a profound effect on mental health, relieves stress, and improves memory. 3. Carefully select your friend group. There's nothing worse than being around a negative person. Their negativity is contagious, and soon our mood and outlook take a nosedive. Hanging around positive people has the opposite effect. Not only do they help build our confidence, but being around them is a heck of a lot more fun. 4. Stay positive. No one is immune from hardship, but it's all about how we respond that sets us apart. Happy people look at tough situations differently. Instead of complaining about how things could have been or should have been, they reflect on everything they're grateful for. They don't get bogged down by pessimism, they find the best solution available and tackle the problem. 5. Sleep. When we sleep, our brains recharge, ensuring we wake up alert and clear-headed. Without enough rest, our energy, attention, and memory are reduced, and stress hormones go through the roof. Thus, happy people make sleep a priority. 6. Help others. Serving others not only makes the people we're helping happy, but it makes us happy, as well. It takes the focus off us as individuals and provides a different perspective on life. It helps us appreciate everything we have, rather than what we don't. 7. Make an effort. No one is happy 100% of the time, but happy people work harder at it than everyone else. They know how easy it is to get sucked into a pessimistic mindset, one where emotions aren't monitored or controlled. Happy people constantly evaluate their moods and make decisions with their happiness in mind.